Hi, nói chung là nó cũng bây streaming bình chỉnh sự không nhạ. Họ được thông chứ.
What's up, guys? Going big with Psycho.
Let's take it in the middle. So they can see. Yeah, so hey. We wanted to start doing some vlogs and
Just about our daily life.
yeah, at Crown. Yeah, and so yeah, we're both Crown College students. I'm a sophomore, and my majors are pastoral leadership and youth and family ministry. And so, yeah. Sai, what about you, Sai?
Youth and family ministry and minor in counseling.
Yeah. And I'm single.
Oh my gosh.
And Sai is taken. Just so that you guys don't go and looking for Sai.
Oh my god, why are you putting yourself out there?
Yeah, so yeah, and we just want to do some vlogs about just like how Crown College is and just about us.
And not good. It's just like mainly Hmoob people.
Yeah, Hmong people at Crown, and maybe like how we interact with people, maybe.
Yeah, or what we do here.
Yeah.
How we fellowship.
Yeah. And so I'm a sophomore, and I'm the HSF president here, the Hmong Student Fellowship president here, and Sai.
I work with him.
Sai is the secretary. Yeah, so we're really excited to be doing the vlogs. Super fun. But Sai is playing tennis, or he's on Facebook. What video is that? Yeah, so if you guys have anything you guys want to know specifically about Crown, or just anything about that we can maybe take a video of and do a vlog and just answer you guys, let us know. It's not gonna always just be us, it's probably gonna be other people too. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe, follow us on YouTube, and we will see you guys on our next vlog. Peace out.
Maybe tonight.
Yeah, maybe tonight. Oh yeah, and we're in the president's room. It's a meeting room with pictures of all the presidents that were at St. Paul Bible College, which is now called Crown. Pretty cool room. All right, bye. See you guys. Bye. Bye.